Hi guys, today in this video, we will talk about interesting facts about China. 30 fun facts about China will impress you. China is the single most populated and one of the largest country in the world. The country is so diverse that it make up a long list of interesting facts that could on earth from the ancient old civilization to be breathing site unique culture and tradition. You will see all about it here. Read until the end to find out 30 fun facts about China that you probably did not know. 30 fun facts about China. China is officially known as the People's Republic of China. China as of September 2020, China is the most populated country in the world with over 1.4 billion people. This is based on World Meter elaboration of the latest United Nations data. Mandarin is not only language in China. There are others such as Ye, Wo, Minpian, Minian, Xiang, Kan, and Hakka. Some regions in China also have their own dialectly. China is considered a content culture. Chinese people present a stony formal existor, but they are actually as a warm and welcome as other culture. Close friendship and relation in China are earned over the impressions compared the Western country. Family member living in one home in a reflection of Chinese success. Later are highly revered in China. Younger generation are also expected to take care of their again family member. They even have a later right law. Majority of China people remember where they fought at home. History is deeply embedded in their educational system that even their Gen Z population know Chinese history very well. Fortune cookies did not originate in China. It was invented in San Francisco and it is a not traditional Chinese custom. This is a country to what many Western think. Put all of China railway line, it can loop around the earth 2 times. Chinese New Year celebration lasts for 50 days. It's the biggest holiday in China, which is unusually celebrated in January or February. New Year is in China even more popular than Christmas. But there is an interesting fact: many countries in the world celebrate Chinese New Year as well. In China, every year is named after one of the 12 Chinese zodiac animals: rat, ox, tiger, rabbit, dragon, snake, horse, goat, monkey, rooster, dog, and pig. 2012-2020 is year of the rat. The Reliance elevator in Welianghuang area of Zhangjiajie, China can carry visitor up to 300 meter high on a cliff edge. The elevator is the world's heaviest and highest outdoor elevation. Do you know Mount Everest is at a border between China and Nepal? China is multi-region country because of its large population. Many world regions have added there. However, most Chinese usually practice Taoism, Confucianism, and Buddhism. China, along with Italy, has the highest number of UNESCO sites in the world. Some of the most visited UNESCO sites in China include the Forbidden City in Beijing, the Great Wall of China, summer places in Beijing, and the Temple of Heaven in Beijing, and the world famous Tractor Army. Speaking of UNESCO site in China, the Forbidden City in Beijing has 9,000 rooms all in all of the one of the largest and oldest impression places in the world. Deposit is hug size. China supposedly on has one time zone. Everybody is using the official Beijing time. Every single panda living in the whole world belong of China. The mean if you see a panda in your country, it is lent by China. In China, all panda can be found in Chengdu, Xiacheng, capital city. Panda eat all day long. They take about 10 to 50 hours a day eating deposit belong to the bear family. They do not have a return. Chinese people are the biggest travel spender in the world. The spender 260 billions every year, twice the spending of American travel. Ancient Chinese medicine already discovered blood 2000 years before European scientist William Haver announced in 1682. Ice cream was discovered in China some 4000 years ago. The Chinese people baked the combined milk, rice mixture, and snow to create the yummy dessert. It is said the Kublai Khan. It was said the Kublai Khan, the founder of the Yuan dynasty, added present and jam to his favorite ice drink, creating the world first the cream football. Chinese people avoid using monishing the number of 4 as it association with death. No per football score was not invented in Europe. The first recorded information about the sport was 22,000 years ago in China. Ancient Chinese people created the world first score ball made of leather. The ball was filled with a feature and hair, and the post was original called Tisu Chusu, which mean kicking ball. China build a new skyscraper every 5 days. There is no country is the world that is growing as fast as China. In year, China build at least 73% New Year's skyscrapers. You will never eat the same food twice in China. Every region in the country has their own dishes, distinct flavors and cuisines. In addition, Chinese food is served almost always fresh. Chopsticks were originally used for cooking and not eating. Ketchup is known as the be an American condiment. However, its origin are anything but American. Ketchup come from the Hokkien Chinese word keeps tips up, the name of a sauce dessert from more things. Unlike breeds across the world, Chinese hybrid were red inside of white. Red is consists be a lucky color in China. The Choctaw army in Xi'an, China took 73 years to build. It consists of 800 clay soldiers, 8,000 clay soldiers built to grand and imperial tomb. China is home to the world classes university in the Time Higher Education World University ranking released at the last Wednesday 2nd September 7. Chinese university was included in the top 200 university in the world. The Chinese university are Tsinghua University, Peking University, Fudan University, University of Science and Technology of China, Zhangjiajie University, Shanghai Jiao Tong University, and Nanjing University. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.